Hi everyone, my name is John Savill and welcome to my course Monitoring Microsoft Azure Data Pipelines and Processing. I'm a Principal Technical Architect at the Dallas Microsoft Technology Center. Data pipelines and processing take raw data and enable real meaningful insights that are usable by the business. In this course, we're going to look at the monitoring options related to the various data pipeline and processing services that are available in Azure. By the end of this course, you'll know the capabilities available in Azure that can be used to provide that monitoring, that insight into your Azure-based data pipeline and processing solutions. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn all about the monitoring for data pipeline services in Azure with the Monitoring Microsoft Azure Data Pipelines and Processing course at Pluralsight.